Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda Renee, and in this video we will be doing a product comparison video featuring the Camille Rose Spiked Honey Mousse and that will be compared to the Doux Mousse Def. And I will be doing a wash and go on my Type 4 natural hair. So if you're interested in seeing those results and how the products behave on my Type 4 natural hair, definitely keep on watching. So as you're seeing, I would have started off with the Camille Rose Spiked Honey Mousse off camera. So I'm just going to continue showing you on camera. What I have done is one, not use any leave-in, and two, I really and truly just used 2 pumps of the mousse on the small pieces of hair that you are seeing, and then I will go in with another 2 pumps just to set everything in place. Hopefully this wash and go goes well. I am liking the definition in the back already, so I'm really hoping that it continues being defined. I already have an issue with this mousse not being the most moisturizing, but we will see what happens. So this is essentially what I did in the back, just taking my time to rake my fingers through and just separate the hair little by little. I don't know if that's what you would call shingling, but I am just smoothing out the hair. So this is the front piece done. It's going to catch up with the rest of the hair, so I will continue. Alrighty, so here is the Camille side. I'm actually quite impressed with the definition. I'm not too convinced that it is going to be moisturizing, but we will see. I am basically going to do the same thing for the Doux side. I will still show a montage, but I'll be back when the Doux side is completed. As I said, I will show a montage, so stay tuned for that. Oh, I actually forgot how the Doux Mousse Def felt on my hair. I really forgot how it felt. I absolutely love the texture of this mousse. That much I can say. And the smell is really pleasant as well. This would be my second time doing a wash and go with this mousse alone. So I'm actually really eager to see how it will behave on longer hair. So let's keep going. is the Doux side. I am really hoping that the Doux comes through for me because I know how well the Doux works on my hair. But I'm actually very impressed with the Camille side as well. So we will see how this set dries. I am not going to diffuse because it already has a beautiful cast on its own and it already has great definition on its own. So I'm just going to leave my hair, come back in about a day or two to share my final thoughts. So stay tuned for that. Well, dearly beloveds, it is 4 days later and my hair is looking like this, even on the Doux side. This review is not going to be long, but I am just in complete shock at how my hair turned out. My hair started losing complete definition on the Doux side on day 3. Day 1 and day 2 were noticeably different as the Doux side had a little more hold, well, a lot more hold than the Camille side. So it was obvious that this side was more defined than my left side, which is your right. But the dryness, oh my goodness, the dryness. My hair was immediately dry the day after for the Camille Rose. There was still some level of moisture for the Doux side, but coming day 2, day 3, and today is day 4. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My hair is dry. My hair is so dry. If you are going to use mousse for color treated hair, please put some type of leave-in conditioner under the mousse. These two mousses are currently a no for color treated hair in my estimation by themselves, and I have to put emphasis on by themselves. I'm sure these two work wonderfully with a leave-in conditioner, but by themselves, absolutely not. Absolutely not. My hair is too dry on day 4 hair for me to even consider leaving it an extra day. Okay, so I will still give my ratings for the moisture, the definition, and the hold. The moisture, as I said, my hair is completely dry, so I would have to give the moisture probably about a 2 or 3 out of 10 because my hair is dry. I cannot get a comb or even my finger through my hair without my hair feeling like it's going to break. All right, so for the definition, my hair lost most of its definition on the Camille side the day after. And I have to preface this by saying that I pretty much didn't do anything differently. I just tied down my hair and got up, did a little shaking, and went about my way. I did not do anything differently to get these results. So the definition for the Camille side on color treated hair without a leave-in conditioner would have to get a 2 out of 10 for me, and the Doux would have to get probably a 4 because you could still feel defined pieces in the front. For example, this piece is defined, really defined actually. So there's still some defined pieces. So I would have to give it a 4 out of 10 after 4 days. Yeah, a 4 out of 10. And for the hold, again, the Doux would have to get Actually, the Doux gets a 5 out of 10 because my hair actually still feels like it's holding on to the curl. You could see some defined pieces, as I said, so it will get a 5 out of 10 for the hold. But for Camille Rose, my hair basically looks like a curly puff. So I would have to give Camille Rose 2 out of 10 for the hold. As I said, people, this review is on color treated hair with mousses by themselves. Literally by themselves. No leave-in conditioner. I just put the mousse on. And yes, I used water before. And yes, I went in with mousse afterwards to further lock in the curls. So on color treated hair by themselves, I would have to say absolutely not to these two mousses. But I have tried the Doux on untreated, uncolored, natural strands, and I preferred those results to the ones that I have right now. Maybe, just maybe, if I diffused my hair, I would have liked my results better on both ends, because I have found that once or twice when I diffused my hair, the hair kept the curl pattern longer. So that could be a reason why my hair is the way it is on day 4. But I still do like this mousse. It's drying, so you would have to get a leave-in underneath. However, this does give great definition. Check out my other videos using this mousse. It does give great definition, so I will have to circle back with a leave-in underneath and diffusing my hair to see if it will actually make a difference on this side. So it will be a few videos down when I will try this mousse again. So definitely stay tuned for that, because my thoughts may change. And I actually do like this mousse. It is more drying than the Big Girl Crazy Sexy Curl. The Big Girl Crazy Sexy Curl actually gives a level of moisture, whereas the Doux, I find, even on my undyed strands, it was a little more drying than the Big Girl Crazy Sexy Curl. So that's why I opt for the Big Girl Crazy Sexy Curl instead of Mousse Def. But yes, guys, this is my review. And if you have any thoughts on my review, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, if you liked this video, definitely leave a like, subscribe for more natural hair content, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.